Today's client wanted to turn her existing manual blinds into smart blinds. I recommended our Zemismart Thread Drivers. It's easy to install, guaranteed to fit her cord type, and its design makes it visually pleasing. Our client today has zebra shades with steel bead cords throughout her home. She's tired of going up and down by hand, so she wants to just push a button or give a voice command and watch them go up or down. So we're gonna help her out. Let's get busy. When I open the box, the Zemismart Thread Driver comes with a driver itself. It comes with the turning pieces for the driver. Actually, it comes with 3, so it shouldn't be that hard to find your size. We're gonna use one of these today. Also included in the box is a remote control and a set of screws. Its built-in battery pack is compatible with any C-type USB charger. You find the placement you want to put it on your wall. I mark mine with a screw here. Take that back off. Take this piece off of your driver, put it on your wall, and drill it in. When you're drilling, you want to make sure it's in the correct placement. If it isn't, you could slide it up or down. Just kind of give it a light tug towards you. Once it's set, you put your turning piece back on, drop it so you don't have too much slack. You want to leave a little bit, but not too much. And turn up and down. Here, I'm just checking, making sure it's actually functioning. To program your limit position settings, you want to make sure the switch is to the left. That puts it into programming mode. Once you do that, you turn your knob up, press the button once, press it twice, that sets your limit. Do the same when you're going down. It also comes with 3 speeds. So the more you tug the knob, the speeds increase or decrease. Same thing, touch once, touch twice, now you're set. And turn the switch back to the right. And that saves your programming. Once that's complete, you can now program your remote. So you want to press the set key once, then hold the stop on your remote for 5 seconds. Now it's successfully programmed. Now we go up and down. So now you have your knob control and your remote control. It's pretty awesome. To program for the home app, you must download the home app first. This is what it looks like. Now also to use the home app, you must have a Apple HomePod or a Google Alexa or any smart home device. Once you're finished setting that up, you want to press add accessory. Now before you scan the barcode, you want to press the set key 3 times till it flashes green. Then you want to scan the barcode. Once the barcode is scanned, you just add blinds and it's done. You can control it from your phone now. So now you got remote control, app control, and knob control. Not only that, we got the voice command. Hey Siri, close blinds. Voila. You turned your existing manual blinds into smart blinds. Just like that. Please feel free to give us a like and a follow.